We are looking at how to answer a question about u-values that is task 2, part 1 of your assignment 1 of unit 4. Now, the first thing you need to do to answer the question is to read the description of your wall and produce a diagram. Now, obviously, I'm not going to do the same wall that you have in the assignment. The wall I'm drawing is the wall you're more likely to find in a house built these days. Now, you can see here, that's the exterior wall, and you have studied drawings with Peter, and you know that to be the hatch pattern of a brick wall. Then you got a cavity, then you got a blockwork wall, and I am now drawing the hatch pattern for a blockwork wall. This house is going to have plasterboard inside, and we're going to have a smaller cavity here, and then we're going to have the plasterboard. I am now drawing the pattern for plasterboard. So that's what we got: brickwork, cavity, blockwork, a little cavity, plasterboard, and that's the interior of the house. Now, in the cavity, what we're going to find is insulation. It's partially filled with insulation. So what we got is half of it will be a cavity, that means air, and then we're going to have some sort of insulation board here. And this is the hatch pattern for insulation. Now, I'm going to give values, dimensions to this diagram. And the first thing is brickwork. We know a brick to have this width, but in reality, it's taking us 100 millimeters. So we're going to go for 100 millimeters in this exercise. Next thing we got is a cavity, and this cavity is 50 millimeters. And then we got insulation, 50 millimeters. As well, we have blockwork, 100 millimeters. There's a small cavity here, let's say 15 millimeters. And the plasterboard, 15 millimeters. This is your wall. This is the first drawing you need to produce for your assignment. Once you've done this, you can go and do the second part of the question.